Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best 12-volt solar battery chargers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Eco-Worthy 12-volt 5-watt Solar Trickle Charger. Eco-Worthy is one of the most popular options available out there when you are talking about 12-volt solar battery chargers, since they are highly affordable and a great option for all those who are on a tight budget. The Eco-Worthy 12-volt solar battery charger comes at the first position of this list, since this is the most affordable option given here, making it the perfect option for budget-oriented buyers. Because this is an entry-level option, its given maximum power output of up to 5 watts is to be expected. Number 2. Our second best pick is Sunway Solar Battery Trickle Charger. If you are looking for something versatile in terms of a 12-volt solar battery charger that can be used with a wide range of batteries, then Sunway Solar and its offerings can be a great option for the same in a pretty compact form factor. Sunway Solar's 12-volt solar battery charger comes at the second position of this listicle, as it is one of the best options out there in terms of its versatility. Unfortunately, this 12-volt solar battery charger is not a heavy-duty usage option by any means, since you get a pretty average and entry-level maximum power output of up to 4 watts from it. Number 3. Our third best pick is Upgraded 5W Solar Battery Trickle Charger. If you wish to use your 12-volt solar battery chargers outdoors and in rugged environments, then Powaxy and its offerings can be a great option, since it offers some of the best build chargers out there. Powaxy's 12-volt solar battery charger is a great option if you want a sturdy and well-built option for outdoors usage. Although, this 12-volt solar battery charger focuses primarily on its build quality and not performance, as you only get a maximum power output of up to 7.5 watts from it. Because of its bumper frame and sturdy construction, it does have slightly bulky dimensions of 14.5 inch x 9 inch. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Sooner Power 12V Solar Battery Charger. Sooner Power is another well-known brand of solar-related products, which includes both appliances as well as power devices like its 12-volt solar battery charger given here, that also happens to be a highly versatile option for many. This Sooner Power 12-volt solar battery charger comes at the third position of this article because it is one of the best versatile and feature-rich options out there. As for its performance numbers, this 12-volt solar battery charger is rated for a maximum power output of up to 8 watts, which is decent if not the best. Although considering the given dimensions of 14.84 inch x 6.36 inch, you could have certainly expected a higher power output. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Solperk 10W Solar Panel 12V Solar Panel Charger Kit. Solperk is a comparatively newer and a pretty small brand of solar-powered products, which also includes its 12-volt solar battery charger given here, which is on the larger and more powerful side. The Solperk 12-volt solar battery charger can be a great option for all those who do not have any issues with the size of their solar battery charger but want something versatile and powerful. Beginning with the maximum power output of this 12-volt solar battery charger, it is rated for up to 10 watts of power output, which is quite great. Unfortunately, this 12-volt solar battery charger is quite large because of its given dimensions of 13.4 inch x 9.8 inch. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.